Welcome back. So we were discussing, backlink masterclass. So this is a video on buying backlinks, black hat my experience. So basically, when you buy backlinks, it means that you are doing black hat SEO, which Google does not recommend because this is something which is not recommended by Google, and people are actually doing it. People are buying backlinks for their blogs, and people are just increasing their website authority and website domain rating, or your overall backlink profile. So my experience, when in the start, I just I wasn't aware of this all, because and I was buying links and investing a lot of money, and I it turns out to be a bad experience for me, because it was not worth it buying backlinks from other blogs in your niche. And here you can see, let me zoom a little bit. So this is one of the platform I did buy backlinks from. So this is actually the LinkedIn, from which I bought. I asked this guy to, I need backlinks. Here you can see the whole conversation. It was a long conversation, but I just put these three screenshots of of the whole conversation. But here you can see, I just asked this guy that I need articles, I need blog post. So here it is. Uh, I just asked him to provide me articles on one of my tech blog. So I just asked him that if you have websites, show me. So he just show me these of the website, and I just asked him that I will provide you some of the guest post articles, and then what you need is you need to put all those articles to these high authority websites. So he did it. So it was actually a very big investment at that point, because here you can see it was 10,000 rupees. I did paid him 10,000 for just 5 links. For I guess these of the websites. These were of the websites, and my experience was not that much good, and it was becoming mess. I would say it was become shit. And I don't recommend you guys to just buy backlinks, for yourself, because it is not worth it. So let me show you, this is basically this is basically a video on should you buy backlinks or not, and if you want to buy backlinks, what are the platforms that you should use. But I personally don't recommend you guys, if you're starting out, don't just invest a lot of money in backlinks. It turns out to be a shit, and this is true. So I recommend you guys to just start out with the backlink strategies I told you guys in the last video. Moving ahead, here you can see, let me show you one of the freelancing website, Fiverr. I just bought links from here as well. Here you can see orders. This is my profile of Fiverr. Here you can see, this is this was the order I just bought. And the girl just provided me trash backlinks, which was like, here you can see the date, and I just paid him a lot of money. It was like 3,618, which was a very big amount on that time. It was 2023, yes. So she provided me 1,000 links in just $10, and all of those links were going to the website which have height already, but just it was just one single page blog, and the sites were mess, and the sites were not legitimate, and the sites were not site doesn't have any content. It was just it has just a high authority. People are doing this. People are just creating a website on Blogger, and they're just putting a lot of links in that, and they're just increasing the site authority without any any content, or without any. They're just doing spammy things. Here you can see all of the conversation. The order was completed. So it was this experience of mine, buying backlinks was not good. It was like a waste of money. And I don't recommend you guys to buy, backlinks at first place. So let me show you, let me show you if you're, if you're really, if you have investment, but if you want to buy backlinks, if you're thinking that, you should buy and you don't have any time to create backlinks of your own. So if you're buying, just go to this website, publish publishsearch.com. This is also a good website where you can see publishers, advertisers. You can buy tons of backlinks from here. They also have, websites, writers. Here you can see a lot of things. It's on you, how much you want to invest and what kind of links do you want and what's your niche. All you need is to sign up on this website, on this platform, and just, ask if they can provide you links. Here we have another website, haro.com. Most bloggers do, use this Haro platform, harolinkbuilding.com. You can use this platform as well to, build backlinks. I showed you guys, in the last video, I have showed you in the link building strategies. If you want to buy backlinks, you can use this website. You can use this platform. All you need is a Google account to sign up, and you'll eventually see all of the things inside of this, platform. Here you can see a lot of pricing. It has a huge amount of prices. I mean, $2,500, $4,000, and $1,200. It is huge. But I personally don't recommend, buying to go with for buying backlinks at first if you are starting out, or if if you are just, or if you're in the middle of your blogging journey. So just create organic link buildings. Here you can see Href have written what are the how to use Haro and alternatives to get killer backlinks. So this is also a blog post on this. I recommend you guys to read it thoroughly and understand what they're saying. From where you can buy links, from you can actually do link building in deep. There are tons of platforms that provide you, with advertisers and the publishers. All you need is to just provide them the content and the researched article or the value in the content. So there are also tons of platforms for that. So my experience toward buying backlink was not good, and I don't recommend you guys to just buy backlinks. Here you can see buying links, building from different platforms. So yes, I did it. I did from Fiverr, I did from LinkedIn, and and yes, these were the two platforms I did buy, but my experience wasn't well. Here you can see PBNs. PBNs stand for private blog networks. It is defined as, if let's say you are running a blog on vegan recipes and you are starting out 10 to 15 blogs, of your own, and you're linking all those blogs, uh simultaneously, and that is what PBN is. You're just linking each other. And let's just see. Let me again show you. Let's say you just this this is your blog, Haro Link Building, and you have this 5 to 6 blocks of your own, and if you're linking, let's say that you are linking this blog to this blog, and you're linking this blog to this to this. So this is actually a private blog network, which describes that you are running 15 to 15 blogs of your own and internal linking, or giving backlinks to each other. So that's what TBN is. You will also run a BBN. If you have a good investment, you can start your 10 to 15, or people are, I just see people, they're running more than 100 blogs of their own, and giving backlinks of their own blogs. So that is also a good strategy. But if Google find out, that you are running all these blogs, your sites will get hit by Google. If Google know, that you're doing this. So that is not a good strategy from Google point of view, but people are doing it, and you can also do that and try out. So this is also a good strategy. That I guess I hope you understand these all points, and I hope you understand this video. So see you in the next video where I will show you more about backlinks. And yeah, that's it. See you there.